Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can reset any Bose soundbar from 300 to 900 and lastly the Ultra model. Basically there's two ways in order to do this. Now for the Bose Smart Soundbars 500, 900 and Ultra, you want to press and hold the power button and skip forward button on the remote simultaneously for around 5 to 10 seconds while the unit is turned on, and basically this will then reset your device. Now for the Bose Soundbar 300 and 600, you want to press and hold the play and pause button and then the volume down button on the remote simultaneously while again the device is turned on for around 5 to 10 seconds, and from there this will then help you reset these two devices. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.